I'm Chris. Welcome to Arnold's Mobile Bike Repair. I wanted to take a second to introduce ourselves and let you know what we do and who we are. We're Arnold's Mobile Bike Repair. We're located in Dyer, Indiana, and we serve Lake County and surrounding areas. We're a mobile bike shop, full service. We come to you. We handle your repairs at your house, at your apartment, at your work, at your convenience. You don't have to haul your bike to the bike shop anymore and wait for the call so that you can go pick it up at their convenience. This is about you and you riding and your miles. We also ride, so we understand the inconveniences of being without your bike. We offer all types of service, from simple airing up your tires to full overhauls. We don't care what kind of bike you have. If it's something you bought from a garage sale for $20 or if it's a $10,000 race bike, we'll work on it. That's what we do. We want to see people ride because we love to ride. If your hands fall asleep when you ride, we have grips and fitting offers that we can do to make you more comfortable on your bike. So whatever it is you need that's bicycle related, please feel free to reach out to us. You can find us on the web at www.arnoldsmobile.com, or you can text or call 219-713-1463, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, feel free to look us up on social media. We are on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as Arnold's Mobile Bike Repair. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope to see you soon.